changing your object's orientation in the graphics window. Let's say I don't like how this is oriented currently because I messed it up somehow with the view cube or some other way. Maybe started it incorrectly. To fix this, let's find what I want to be my front view. Alright, so this is my current front view and I don't like that. Well, once we get the front view the way we like it, could for example be this. I'm actually going to make it the current left view. You come to this drop down, set current view as front. Alright, so we've done that. And now let's go to setting the top view, because when I click my top front right, it's still not the orientation I want. So in fact right now the top is kind of the bottom. So let's click to the bottom side, and now that we're here, we're going to call this the top, drop down, set current view as top. So now we should be able to do like a top front right. Let me try to use this cube a little bit to orient it correctly. And that is how I want it. So let's check the home view. Ooh, unfortunately the home view still shows me this. Not the best orientation or the one that I desire. So I will get back to what that view was. So we've got left. Let's see how we can get to it here with the top. Alright, let's see if this is our top front right. Not quite. Almost there. Just need to. There we go. We want this to be our home view. Set current view as home, and we can do fixed distance, which will keep it this size, or fit to view, where it might be a little larger depending how zoomed in you are.